Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and look at some of the best 3D printers you can find for under $1,000. This 3D printer will help you create extraordinary objects, sculptures, and designs at a fraction of the price you usually pay. This 3D printer is for users of all skill levels and can help you make anything from small trinkets to large-scale engineering projects. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $1,000. To help you, we have compiled a list of the top 3D printers for under $1,000. Each 3D printer is an excellent choice for a budget-friendly 3D printing solution. The output of these 3D printers is also reliable and consistent, so you can confidently create your projects. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the original Prusa i3 3D printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer is an optimistic and unbeatable choice for any 3D printing enthusiast looking for a top-notch machine without breaking the bank. Its cutting-edge features and exceptional performance make it the crown of the best 3D printer for under $1,000. One of the standout features is the fully automatic mesh bed leveling process. Say goodbye to frustrating manual adjustments and hello to effortless printing. The built-in IR filament sensor is a game-changer, too, ensuring smooth operations by detecting when the filament is running low and pausing the print until it's replenished. The MK3S Plus boasts an impressive lineup of high-quality components, including genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and the reliable EINSY RAMBo motherboard. These top-tier elements contribute to its flawless performance and make it the ultimate workhorse in 3D printing. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.